Hi everyone, this is Video Reborn. This video is about the problem with my iPhone 4 running iOS 4 with the Pioneer Car Stereo P6100BT. I experience some audio quality issue every time when I have music running every 8 seconds, and there will be a cracking noise. Okay, I'll let you guys to hear that. I'm gonna use the dock connector first, then use the Bluetooth, and finally use the auxiliary port in order to show you the differences. And the problem only happens when I connect the iPhone 4 together with the Pioneer system using the USB sync cable, and this is the Apple original sync cable. Alright, I'm gonna play a short clip. Hear that? Yeah, there's another problem here. See, every 8 seconds. Okay. Alright, now I am going to play the same clip, okay, all over using the Bluetooth. Okay, now I'll do it one more time. There's a one pitch, but that should be gone. See, past the 8 seconds mark, it does not have a high pitch. Okay, so there's no problem for the Bluetooth. Now I'm going to try the auxiliary port, which is the 3.5mm audio jack. And there's a problem with the Apple bumper case, that's the cutout is kind of small, so that my 3.5mm audio cable doesn't really fit all the way in. And that's an issue. I don't know why Apple has to do that. I have to put all the way in. Excuse me. I have to force my way in. I don't know if it works, but let's try it. Now, again. Now I'm going back to the dock connector. Yeah, the dock connector has this problem every single time. I don't know what's up with the iOS 4. Please tell me if it is iOS problem or the iPhone 4 problem. I read about the Apple forum, and a lot of people are complaining about the compatibility issues of the iOS 4 with the car stereo, aftermarket car stereo. And mine is a Pioneer unit. I thought it should be a good quality. I don't know what's wrong, but this is an iPhone 4. For some reason, it just doesn't work as described. And again, this is Video Reborn. So just to let you guys know there, it's an audio kind of compatibility issues together with my aftermarket Pioneer Car Stereo P6100BT together with my iPhone 4 running iOS 4.0. Okay, I think it is Apple's problem. Apple has to fix this issue. And thanks for watching. Again, this is Video Reborn reporting about the iPhone 4 audio quality using the USB sync cable together with the Pioneer Car Stereo P6100BT. Thanks for watching. Bye.